We see children trafficked for sex work and forced begging.
According to the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, UNODC, criminals have established Uganda as safe haven where illicit activities originate or transit to other destinations. The head of office for the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, Sharon Lesa Nyambe, highlights a persistence in trafficking of girls, arms, counterfeits and drugs from as far as Afghanistan and timber from Democratic Republic of Congo.
Young people are recruited as couriers, and unfortunately, we now see a growing demand to consume heroin among the urban youth, and an increase by 40% of drug use disorders as reported by Butabika Mental Health Hospital.
Nyambe says timber from DRC is smuggled out with minerals.
It is important to highlight that illegal timber trade results in loss of forest cover and undermines tax collection.
Figures shared by the Director of Public Prosecutions, Frances Abodo, about the state of organized crimes in Uganda corroborate how serious the situation is.
We are ranked 7th out of 54 African countries, and second among the 8 East African countries with the highest organized crime. That is scary. That should scare us.
Abodo underscores the necessity to equip and train personnel across the judicial sector to competently handle the cases and or prevent them.
But also, training should go to the bench, the judges and the magistrates, because the cases we take to them, they should be able to understand these cases and appreciate them.
Development partners advise that there is a need to scale up the social assistance grant to address trafficking of girls, which they argue is correlated with poverty. While the poverty levels are put at 23%, 3% of the population are those who receive a social assistance grant.
Poverty is one of the reasons why many people who are vulnerable, they fall victims to organized crimes. One of the challenges we face here in Uganda today is that according to the latest statistics, is that 23% of the people of Uganda are income poor. 23%.
The prosecutors are holding a 3-day symposium organized under the theme Strengthening Capacity for Prosecution to Counter Organized and Emerging Crimes. It is a precursor to the Joan Kagezi Memorial Lecture to be held on Thursday at Kololo Ceremonial Grounds. Jackson Onyango, NTV.